Good morning. This is my lockdown morning hair, and it's not going to stay like this for the rest of the day. Don't worry. Why would you worry about such a thing? I don't know. This week I've ordered a pair of professional hair scissors because I want to start and trim my hair at home. It will be a much cheaper way to keep my long hair healthy, and yeah, I'm quite excited to start soon. Also, I've ordered a few very exciting tubes of hair color. I will see how they turn out. I usually color my hair only about 3 months. I don't care about the roots showing because I try not to do too much damage. Oh, by the way, I forgot my argan oil hairspray. Go and grab it. There it is. Yeah, that's what I use to detangle my hair. One of the things that they say will change after this lockdown is that a lot more people will do a lot more things for themselves, such as obviously coloring your hair. I've been coloring mine at home for a long time, trimming your own hair, and other such stuff that people might find the pleasure of doing themselves from now on. What do you think? Should I try and go for green color next time? Now, I'm a girl who loves makeup. I always have. It is one of those little things that give me a cheerful boost every day. And particularly now in coronavirus lockdown, I think we need all of these little things. That's why I'm making this video, to talk about ways of coping through the little joys that we keep in our lives at this time. So let's go do a little bit of makeup. My skin isn't really looking at its best right now for a variety of reasons, but we'll talk about those a little bit later. Let's do the good stuff first. But that's pretty much it. I am going to do probably a little bit of lipstick as well, or lip gloss, as I'm going out for a walk around the village, our area. I've got something else to show you before my walk today. It is behind me and all around me. And what is it? I am finally swapping my winter wardrobe for my summer clothes. Well, now that next week apparently we're going to have rains in the UK. Well, you know, you cannot plan for everything perfectly. But this is going to be something fun to do as well. I can do it later in the evening though. Right now I want to take advantage of that glorious sunshine out there. Quick lunch before my walk. I know this is all a little bit burnt here right now, but blame the glorious sunshine. And this is mozzarella, tomato, Milano salami, and a little bit of balsamic dressing. Oh, and my cup of Yorkshire tea, my favourite. Now, since my partner Adrian had to go back to work from his office, I felt a little bit anxious to go on walks on my own. In the 2 weeks in which he worked from home and partly he didn't, it's a long story, we were taking walks together almost every day. And thus I've discovered or rediscovered some area around the village where I live now for 4 years, such as this creek where I intend to go today, and then the canal and the canal side, and all the beautiful gardens that people keep in our village. It's nothing out of the ordinary, but it's beautiful and nice to walk around here. Over the last few days, I just pumped up my courage and got over my anxiety and said, right, I can do this. There is nothing out there that is scary. It is just all in my mind. So let's go together today. I haven't brought any sunglasses with me. I'm growling at the sun. This little woodland area, not far from where we live, became a place of discovery for us on our daily walks in lockdown. It has lots of pretty corners with woods that lay from one side of the creek to the other, little groves, and as I said, it might sound like nothing out of the ordinary compared to some amazing areas that you can explore with mountains and all sorts, but still it's good to have this patch of nature around where we live. I think I consider myself quite lucky now in lockdown. I don't know what's in your mind right now, but these groves and patches of nature remind me of my childhood explorations. Back then, every little corner could be an entry into a magical realm. One of the things that I'm very proud of this year and that kept me sane during this lockdown, as sane as one can be really, is my vegetables jungle in the conservatory. You can see my tomato plants that I've grown from seedlings here behind me. In the daytime, I take them outside to soak in the sun and also to be pollinated by the wind, because that's how it works for tomatoes. I can't leave them outside yet in the evenings because overnight temperatures still drop down quite a lot in the UK. And these are really warmth-loving plants. Now I have new, small, tiny tomato seedlings, cucumber seedlings and herb seedlings growing in the conservatory. I have the pepper plants that I grew from seedlings as well, and my strawberries, already small, tiny green strawberries. The actual fruit on the plants, those containers I also bring every morning in the garden to be pollinated by the bees, and obviously it gave results because of the small tiny strawberries already on the stalks. Yesterday I planted potatoes. Next I will plant shallots, carrots, peas. It's something really nice to do in lockdown, something meaningful, something that really brings me joy, and not only to me, but a lot of other people have been growing their own vegetables during these times of coronavirus. I've seen that a lot of people now in lockdown have rediscovered the pleasures of home cooking. I've always loved to cook, but working from 9 to 6, then doing the gym a couple of times a week, then other events, my writers' groups, I would quite often not have the time to prepare a proper dish in the evening during the week. I've done a lot more of that since I've been at home in the current situation. And today I want to use the pork belly that I bought from our local farm, together with some red kidney beans and borlotti beans, some red onion, carrot and chopped tomatoes, to prepare a stew Romanian style. Now while my pork is cooking, I might go around the house and wrap up a few things and maybe even tackle that big pile of summer clothes that you've seen on my bedroom floor earlier today. I can't wait to properly wear them. But before doing that, I would like to wrap up this vlog on a more serious note. I wanted this video to be one of joyful little things that we can do in lockdown, things that help us stay safe and sound, things that help us get through this very unusual situation. Now, for a lot of people in the Western world, this has been a unique situation that they can't compare with anything else that they lived throughout their lives. For us, people from Eastern Europe, living under communist dictatorship did have certain aspects that are similar to what we're experiencing now. So that is how my brain just reverted back to those times when I was a child and to the simpler things that we used to do with our families, such as grow our own veggies. My pepper plants here, they're just boasting in all their beauty. It hasn't been all fluffy and pink, it hasn't been a walk in the park for me either, particularly since I haven't got a job right now. So when lockdown was declared in the UK by the government and all the measures were put in place, with me not having a job, I did go through a darker patch. Then my health has been affected as well. That's another story that I might tell you in another vlog, because I am quite convinced that I had COVID-19 already. There will be a lot of other stories and aspects that we can talk about in future vlogs. And I will do so with great pleasure now that finally I got around to recording my videos again and to being here with you on my YouTube channel. Funny enough, my channel has gained some more subscribers meanwhile, although I haven't published anything else since my vlog about the trip to Iceland, or how far away that seems right now. If you enjoyed this vlog, remember to subscribe to my channel right here. Also, give me thumbs up. I'd love to read your comments as well about how you are coping and managing during this lockdown. And until next time then, ciao for now. Stay well, stay safe, stay home for now. Yum! Just come and have a look at these beans too. Proper Romanian style.